So this is the overall crux of main algorithm. Then how we are going to apply these algorithms to do the predictive analysis. This chart is giving you a detailed learning, where in the classification we can go for classification, customer retention. Similarly, in the regression, we have the various types learning. We have the robot navigation, game AI. Under the unsupervised, big data visualization, we have the clustering, we have the recommended system, targeting, marketing, customer segmentation. So what those red arrows actually mean, that me along with my team of we have some publications related to these red marks. We have the coin analysis. We have talked about the sentiment analysis, where we have algorithms which we have just discussed. Based along with this, if a person is inclined to do the research, they can propose the elective courses choosing the elective course with the particular course one credit for the tune. And right now it is a theoretical course we have assigned, and course has been designed by us, and we have launched this course, and students are certain research directions to share with you for the machine learning towards papers are already been published by our team, and some of them are already accepted. They are under the 2 months. So I am going to discuss you, and most of them are highly indexed. ASCI, some are in the ACM, and even the impact factors of them are quite good. So you can work in that. Using K-means and fuzzy C-means paper. This is in have done. We have proposed a system to detect the credit card fraud detection, and we are already being there in the system, and we have clubbed those algorithms. Put when we have worked over there, we have taken care that for the credit card fraud detection, we can't work with the balanced data set, and for that imbalanced data set, we can't take simple precision recall and F measure. We have to take care of other Matthews correlation coefficient, whose definition I have given over here. So where the authors have applied decision tree, boosting, and random forest. So then in the next work, we have provides feature-based method for sentiment analysis on product reviews, where we have taken care of the naive-based components also, where we have extracted the layer of simple mobile phone examples, where we have gone through the entire algorithm to check the polarity, taken care of the sentimental classification, and same as the FBA, feature-based algorithm, and it is again quite competitive with respect to the other existing work. And diagnosis of invasive ductal carcinoma using deep your machine learning algorithm, like and in this paper, this is from the whole best histopathology images dataset, where we have constructed the test cases, and we are giving you the scenario of this. And again, we have gotten a good accurate F major for the BHI images 76.07 is reached, which is quite impressive. Then machine learning techniques. Again, here what we have done, we have tried to thwart the spams on the Facebook with the help of the simple machine learning algorithm, Naive Bayes, and posts were taken care, 30 feature sets were taken care, and we got that as the 89.4%. For the forecasting analysis, where we have taken care of the multi-linear regression model, the first model which we, and the prices of the bit currencies, that is Bitcoin and Litecoin, with the help of the user bases, and we have taken care, we have predicted their future prices. This work was done, experimented purely by my then another work on analyzing users' interest from Twitter. Here, along with the machine learning, some algorithms from the data with the help of the number of the techniques like the web services, JSON, Firebase, and we have applied the artificial neural network to work over here, which is again taken care, and we are able to extract what we wanted with more efficiency, with more accuracy. Crime detection and criminal identification in India using of the things are being applied. We have applied the classification algorithms, KNN, K nearest neighbor based algorithm. We have applied the and the data set, the standard data sets has been taken care from NCRB, from the BJ, from other particular paper for the data extraction, for the data pre-processing, for the clustering, for the Google Map presentation. Vika. Yes, we are able to get the accuracy of 93.62 and 93.99% formation. When we are clubbing, we are forming the crime attributes. There were the number of the attributes. We represented these instances in the 35 predefined crime through the crime detection and criminal identification through it. So that's all from my side. If you have
Thank you so much, madam. Technologies, what we are having in the current trend. mining applications, forecasting the credit card, so whatnot, everything, whatever the things in the current market who are. Thank you so much for clear explanation.
Thank you, sir.
Ask.
You can track me through the sir also. Good afternoon, sir.
Coding for this work
Yes.
is done on Python or some other software?
Sir, see, I have told you now, individual level at my master, then I started coding with the C language. Not only the English language, I am working in the NLP direction also, which I have not mentioned. See, I found that there is a lot of problem with the C language. I cannot encode the then we also incorporated along with my team of students worked with the other language Jupyter notebooks also, so we keep on upgrading our skills as a team.
Could you please give some brief about the data from where we can acquire some good data?
If you yes, like for the criminal data set, I have to set CPJ data sets. Even if you want to go for the health data set, like one of my health data set for ID, you just click it, you will find the data set. It is available over there, ready-made data purpose for your research purposes.